Unveiling the future, SpaceX's Starbase launch site. Welcome to an exhilarating new age of space exploration and innovation, led by SpaceX's Starbase launch site near Brownsville. Meet Kathy Lueders, the dynamic general manager of this fantastic enterprise, as she prepares to guide us through SpaceX's future plans. Space exploration is not just a dream. It's a reality, and we at SpaceX aim to push those boundaries further, says Lueders. As we venture deeper into the cosmos, each launch from Starbase promises not just sparks and smoke, but new chapters in human exploration. Witness the raw power of cutting-edge technology at work, as SpaceX rockets roar to life, ready to reach out to the stars. Join us on this exciting journey as Kathy shares fascinating insights into SpaceX's ambitious vision for the future of space exploration. SpaceX's Starbase launch site, the starting point for humanity's greatest adventures. Let's reach for the stars together, concludes Lueders.